Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you when you should use the Max Plus suction mode or the quiet mode, and there we have the Dreame X40 Ultra. So what is the difference between the two modes? Of course, the quiet mode works very quiet, but the suction power is limited. So we can click on the custom and turn on the vacuum. Okay, as you can see, they have the quiet, standard, turbo and max. If you want to use the max mode, use it if you need to clean the specific place in your home, the spot zone, because in the max plus the battery gonna be charged very fast. So use the max plus if you have the very dirty spot mode. Use the quiet if you want to clean and, for example, sleep or don't hear the applies. But remember, the quiet mode, it's the suction power is very limited. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.